Let's discover how to make a shrimp curry, a dish that blends the essence of exotic spices with the freshness of the ingredients for a creamy result enhanced by the pungent notes of ginger and garlic. Ingredients: 500 grams of peeled and cleaned shrimp, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, crushed, and a piece of fresh ginger, grated, 1 red chili pepper, finely chopped, optional, 1 can of peeled tomatoes, chopped, 1 tablespoon of curry paste, red or yellow, according to your preference, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 200 milliliters of coconut cream or cooking cream for a more Mediterranean variant, salt and pepper to taste, chopped fresh coriander and lemon juice for garnishing. Heat the oil in a large pan over medium heat and sauté the onion, garlic, ginger, and chili pepper until the onion becomes translucent. Add the curry paste, ground turmeric, coriander, and cumin, and cook for about a minute to release their fragrances. Pour the peeled tomatoes into the pan and cook for a few minutes until the sauce begins to reduce. Add the shrimp to the pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they turn pink and are cooked through. Pour in the coconut cream or cooking cream and mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Adjust salt and pepper to your taste. To stay up to date with our recipes and to explore new flavors, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Garnish the dish with chopped fresh coriander and a squeeze of lemon before serving. Your shrimp curry is ready to delight your taste buds. This shrimp curry can be served with basmati rice or in an Italian style, with soft polenta or pilaf rice, for a culinary experience that celebrates the meeting of cultures at the table. Curry represents an endless variety of spice blends that differ in every corner of Asia, enriching this dish with a deep history and Indian roots, with variations that travel through many countries of Southeast Asia.